Okay guys, I had to remove the upper strap assembly from the cradles, otherwise I wouldn't have been able to get the fuel tank in. So I'm going to set the camera down in a good vantage point, and I'm going to go get the fuel tank, and you know what? I'm going to set the camera, oh boy, I'm going to set the camera up right here. Then you'll see the fuel tank drop right in. Alrighty. 30-gallon fuel tank. Set in place, but crooked. Supposed to wind up being evenly spaced. I have to loosen the front arm and adjust that. So I needed to get some more tools. And I'll show you what I mean. So you can see that's not lined up with the embossment on the fuel tank. This one is. It's pretty close, but I'll loosen them back up and get them adjusted correctly. I didn't have a fuel tank when I was working on the mounts on the other side. No big deal. What some farmer had done a long time ago was turn the fuel tank around, pulled the straps off in the cradle, and set it out in this area here. And they welded in some big plates here. I'll put a link to the description of me cutting them off and working on this area. But yeah, so let me get to that, and I'll be back.